Tile up to the roof light window. Measure and cut the pieces needed to fit around the window, leaving a 10mm expansion space around the window edge. Make sure that the bottom edge of the roof light flashing is above the bottom edge of the tile so that when the next tile is laid, it totally covers the flashing. Measure and cut the next tile. Keep the cut edge towards the window as this will be covered by the flashing. Make sure that any fixings are above the line so that the next flashing piece covers the fixing screws and maintains its water runoff. Once completed and all your flashing or soaker pieces have been fitted, your roof light window will look like part of your roof and will be watertight for years to come. Note that the bottom flashing of the window should be fitted on top of the tiles so that rainwater flows down the flashing onto the tiles and